So is it possible to use MAGHEALY in the same room for a gathering? Because you said it's only for 2 meters. If the room is bigger or if the crowd is more, can we use it? And do we have to use the same program at the same time if we can use it?
Okay, so when you use the atmosphere program, all
Yes.
right, so you have the 2 meter radius.
All right.
So everybody within the 2 meters will benefit. So if you only have one, you may have to move it around. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if we
Okay.
have two, because I
Yes.
got one for my daughter too, and we will be together at the
Yes.
New Year Eve, so
Yes.
we can put it in two places, then it will
Yes.
be 4 meters, whatever, bigger.
Yes. Good. Good.
But we have to use the
It
same program at the same time, or can we use two
it
programs? That's
yeah, it
what.
doesn't have to be the same program. Okay. If you want the same function, then you
Yes.
use the same program. Okay.
Okay.
You can use one coherence and the other one family harmony.
Okay.
And if you're using it to support your well-being, your health, okay, so please remember that Healy is complementary, but you still need to seek professional, conventional help, okay, when you think that is necessary. All right?